Let's discover part 2. Essence of xylem sap. When minerals ions are transported actively into the xylem vessel, the water potential is lowered and water is forced out of neighboring cells to enter the xylem vessel. This produces a pressure called root pressure. This pressure pushes water up to the stem. Root pressure causes glutation, which is the secretion of water droplets at tips of leaves. This ensures the continuity of the movement of water and mineral ions. Transpirational pull, with the help of adhesion and cohesion theory, help water to move through the plant stem. Next, we'll see two experiments which convey important properties of water.
We will be conducting two experiments which convey important properties of water: surface tension, cohesion, and adhesion. This first experiment will show how detergent breaks up the surface tension of water. The supplies you need include a tray filled with 1/4 inch of water, a plastic bread clip, and detergent. First, you place the clip on the surface of the water. You then pour a small amount of detergent behind the clip without touching it. As you can see, the clip moves across the water with no assistance that can be seen with the naked eye. Now we must ask the question, how does detergent break the surface tension of water? The chemicals in detergent have polar, or hydrophilic heads, to which water is attracted, and hydrophobic, nonpolar tails that repel water. When detergent is present in water, it weakens the strength of the surface tension by interfering with the hydrogen bonding between water molecules. In this second experiment, we will demonstrate the cohesion and adhesion between water molecules and other objects. You will need a cloth. This one is thin and has holes in it, which you will see doesn't make a difference during the experiment. You will also need a glass of water. First, place the cloth over the glass and wet it with water. Then spread the cloth over the glass and tightly hold it over the mouth. Quickly flip the glass upside down. You will see a small amount of water falls out, but once the water completely wets the cloth, no more drips out. And when you uncover the glass, you will see it is still mostly full. I'm sure you're wondering now how the thin cloth manages to keep the water inside the glass. The water doesn't spill out due to cohesion and adhesion of molecules. When the glass is turned upside down, not only do the water molecules adhere to the sides of the glass and the cloth, but the molecules are cohering to each other as well. At the same time, surface tension is at work again. When the webbing of the cloth gets wet and is stretched over the glass, it allows the water molecules to bond tightly, creating enough tension to prevent leaking. A real-world example of these properties working together can be seen in plants. When evapotranspiration occurs on the surface of a plant cell, tension is created, which pulls water molecules towards the surface. Due to the cohesiveness of water molecules, this tension is transferred down the plant, which effectively pulls the water to the top of the plant.
Water molecules adhere to one another by cohesive forces and to the wall of tubing by adhesive forces. This will overcome the gravitational pull that inhibits water from coming up. Finally, part 2 is done.